Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Dales National Park. I'm in the picture postcard village of Ravenstonedale today, looking at an absolute stunner. I've just been to take the pictures and what we have is a mid-terraced but very, very deceptive. It's like a TARDIS, and when these guys bought it, they basically knocked the thing down and they've rebuilt it so everything inside is brand new. It's finished to an amazing standard, and the kitchen, dining, living room area is just unreal. You walk in and it's a real jaw dropper. The village itself is fabulous for walking, cycling. It's got a fabulous pub down there, school, a little shop as well, just everything going on. It's in one of the nicest locations, only a hop and a skip and a jump from Kirby Stephen, great access to the M6, so what's not to like? Let's flip this round, do the street scene, and then we'll take you inside. Okay, so what a tranquil street scene this is. That takes us up to the fells, all the incredible walks. We've got the centre of the village with the pub, the shop, there's a school down there as well. And this is what we've come to see. Very unassuming from the front, but this one is like a TARDIS. When these guys bought it, they literally stripped it back to the front wall. So everything from here on in is brand new. It's unreal. So we'll open this up. You can see we've got that gorgeous floor there. Nice big entrance hallway. That's your wow factor right there. So I'll do that in a second. So really nicely fitted out cloakroom with the WC. Next to that, a really great use of space, and these guys have got a utility in here. And then in here, we've got a boot room, which could be a little office, a playroom. We've got some storage there as well. Everything in here is absolute quality, as you can see, but wait till you see this. This is awesome. So look at this. So we've got this huge space, incredible fireplace, and a very cool kitchen. Let me just show you around here. And a wall, absolute wall of windows. You've got your French doors that open out onto the back space there as well. So I'll show you outside shortly, but let's do the inside first. So as you can see, we've got tons of space in here. We've got area for table and chairs. We've got two formal seating areas there, massive, and we've also got the kitchen as well. An amazing room. And then we'll go up. I do love that carpet. So we'll get up to the landing. And as you can see, immaculate. Bathroom floor looks like a stone tile. That's very interesting. And then we've got the P-shaped bath with the shower over. First bedroom. I'm going to give you a little sneaky peek at the view out the window. Look at that. Wow. And oh, I've just noticed, look at the little features. You've got the old stonework there as well. So packed full of little surprises, this one. Next bedroom, again, we've got a really nice sized double bedroom. We've got some storage here too. And then the final double bedroom. Very nice. Okay, so let's take you outside, and we've got this huge space. So the wall of windows give you that view up to the fells. We've got all of this space with the wood store there. Now this is quite interesting because that is actually brand new. Although it looks like it's been there for 100 years, it's brand new. It's all insulated inside. It's a really useful store, workshop, whatever you like. There's this space as well, and we've got the oil tank just around there, and there's the lane here as well. So quite a lot of space. Wow. So if you want to come and see this absolute stunner in Ravenstonedale, then please give the Penrith office a call, and we are on 01768 88 1111.